So again, how do you find your open houses? I think the biggest thing that you can do is network with other agents in your office and let them know that you are ready, willing, and able to be their go-to when they have a new listing in order to hold it open. And give them a sense of what you're going to do for them. I'm going to get there half an hour early. I'll stay late if people keep coming. And here's a big one, and that is, I'll send you a summary of the activity, that night or the next day, so that you know how much traffic you got. If people came with an agent, you can let that agent know, hey, 2 people came with their agent, Joe Smith from Dixon Realty. They stayed for 45 minutes. They seem very interested. You can follow up. So again, if you provide that value to that agent where they have a sense that, wow, this agent does a really good job, is really professional, holds a great open house, and follows up with me after that open house, then you will rapidly become their go-to agent for their open houses.